The most important election of our lifetime, and we need you to take action now to show your support for President Trump. Joe Biden has declared he will be the most progressive president in history. He signed Bernie Sanders' radical platform that includes Medicare for all, Green New Deal, and abolishing ICE. President Trump stands for law and order, strong borders, and an America First agenda. Please join Ronald Reagan's winning campaign manager to rally millions of Americans in support of President Trump by calling 800-980-5479. We need every American that wants the re-election of President Trump to call 800-980-5479 now and press 1 to pledge your support. Time is running out to show support for President Trump, and it starts with your phone call to 800-980-5479. Join our movement by calling 800-980-5479. Paid for by Great America PAC, which is responsible for the content of this message.